Another hit the road, another string of shows, another week apart, maybe a few, don't even know. Time's being lost beneath the liminality. Started wondering if the wandering is tired of me. Another FaceTime call, another music hall, another night.